I'm CJ with Starter Builds, and today I'm going to show you how I installed this AlorAir air filtration system on Starter Builds. Welcome back to another video here on Starter Builds. Today we are going to be unboxing and installing the AlorAir air filtration system. One thing I've been trying to get better at is dust collection and air filtration within the shop. And you'll notice that a lot of the stuff within my shop has a lot of sitting dust on it, as well as within the air. Anytime I'm working on a project, there's a ton of dust. This is what we'll be installing today. This is again the AlorAir air filtration system, the Purecare 1350. And let's take a look what's in the box. So as we open the box here, obviously we have the filtration unit. We have our hardware box here. This comes with a remote as well as some brackets if you're going to install it directly into your ceiling, as well as some chains. Based at a glance here, if we take a look at this, there's two different methods. You have the chain method as well as installing that directly into the ceiling. And again, there'll be video installation support there. I think within the shop, we're actually going to be installing it right here. I think this is a good central point between the table saw over there and the miter saw, as well as this back panel here constantly has dust sitting on it. I mean, you can see here there's tons of just sitting dust, so hopefully that helps. Obviously I need to get better at leveraging my dust collection. That is still to be hooked up as well. That is a Laguna C-Flux, so I'm excited to get that hooked up. So stay tuned, let's unbox this and get into the video. A little heavier than I thought. I obviously need to get back in the gym because that was heavier than I thought. Well, let's take a look. All right, once you take it out of the box here, it's cool to see that it actually does come with the filters in there too as well. There's one on each side of this unit. And then we have the top support to install, I believe, the hooks for the chains. So let's start to install those. Hardware perspective, we have our 4 red colored hooks. These will actually screw into each individual hole there. We have our ceiling hooks here. These are obviously threaded to put right into your ceiling. And then we have our chains here, which you can adjust based on any kind of height that you want it to hang from. So let's get started on that. So I'm going to use this foam here as a template. So this is not the most traditional method, but I think this is going to be a great kind of template. I could just flip it up on the ceiling and then mark the location. Storm. Anyways, back to what's important. All right, we have our 4 hooks into the ceiling. Now we're going to put in those threaded hooks in each of these holes, and we'll attach it with our chains. Pretty straightforward. If I can do this, anyone can do this. This, it says, if you can even see it, probably not, a note: the above installation must be installed by no less than 2 people. Well, I say we're going to challenge ourselves today, and I'm going to do it myself. I almost kind of feel like I should just install it the correct. Something about these chains I just don't trust, but figure it out, I suppose. Figure it out, I suppose. Who's up for a challenge today? Me. I am up for it. This is gonna be some fun. We got the first hook on by ourselves. We got the, whoa, well that didn't help. Last but not least, the last hooker. Woo-wee. That's a little low. So I have it installed, but I'm not gonna lie, it's a little freaking low. So I might need to adjust the chains because I don't feel like that's high enough. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we doubled up on the chains and I feel like that's better. It looks like it's in the right spot. I mean, there's my workstation, there's that. So, looks good. Now let's go ahead and turn it on and test it out. We got the remote here. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for viewing, watching, and subscribing this video. If you enjoyed this shop-related video, feel free to give this a thumbs up. Also, be sure to check out my other videos down in the description below. Thanks.